Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is 1 a.m. right now. I'm with my boy Dylan.
What's good?
Nate. Yo, we are on the way back. It's not 1 a.m. I'm just joking with you. It's like 11:30?
Bro, it's 11:51.
Oh, wow. 11:51. We are on the way back to New York for my previous clips or videos, wherever I'm gonna add that other shit at. Well, Nate, what are we gonna do here? Because this is mainly for you right now.
So we about to get rid of these fair guys. That was a bust. Shit didn't work out how I expected. So Dave about to hook me up, take me to this spot, get them bread fullers, man. About to get them bread fullers, hopefully.
So yeah, Nate's been asking for them bread fours ever since they came out. I don't know why. They some regular shits. I mean, they some everyday weird shits. So how you feel about the bread fours?
I like the Fear of God better.
Oh yeah, the Dylan Fear guy's coming in the mail. He a little excited. Might come in like next week or some shit. But yeah, we're about to go back to round 2 to take the original offer that they offered us for the Fear Gods, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. My head a little big for this phone camera though, bro. All right, well yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. We'll start recording again at round 2. $19.85 Royal Ones. If Dylan gets these shits, we just made a bunch of money. They're not even being hung up by a lot. Shout out to that UPS man. You can reach him. Let's go. Jump and flick. I'm saying jump like a low hop like that. He can reach him. They only being hung by one lane, so if you just throw them like that, yeah, like that.
Nah, bro, I'm good at this.
Alright guys, just an update. You would assume from how beat they are that they're from 85 or at least 94. And like, it's pretty high up there too. But they're actually the most recent release. They're from 2016. And Dylan just risked his life for nothing. But shout out to that post office guy that let us use his truck.
He really the homie.
He really the homie. What a waste of time. Alright guys, it's been a long ass day, but it's been successful. There's a package right there. There's a package right in front of me. I'm gonna show you guys what I got right now. I got a size 9.5, but my boy Mike just traded me. Shout out to him. He gave me the base size 6. This is for my girlfriend's sister. She graduates next week, and she's always been wanting a pair. Papa left right here. She's always been wanting a pair. This isn't the static reflective kind, this is just a regular kind, but it comes with a little surprise. The laces, they're reflective, along with the same 3 stripes in the back. But yeah, everyone's getting bored of the silhouette by now. Easy 350, we had enough of these shits. Laces are really cool. But yeah. Hopefully they restock the static reflective, because those were a little bit too limited. But hope she enjoys them. They'll be a nice surprise for her. Just the man I was looking for.
Yo.
Alright guys, welcome back. You a little closer. Alright guys, welcome back. Quick unboxing for you guys. Yo. Quick unboxing for you guys. I've been waiting all week for these shoes to come in. They finally came in. I got a little excited at home, so I cut these open with a knife already. But if you guys know this color already, you guys should know what sneakers in here. My boy Nate won these earlier, and it's about my time I got my pair. As you can see, size 10, Nike Air Fear God. Zoom in. No broke boy, 350. Know what I'm saying?
The lights on the way, couldn't see the 350, but they know
It's cool, bro. Know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, but I ain't get it for retail. StockX stickers. Nice little gym bag. Spare laces. How much I paid, we're not gonna show that. Oh man, these are a beauty though. This is my 3rd pair of these sneakers. Oh man. A little StockX tag. What you think about these, Dylan?
I want mine to come in so bad.
You want yours to come in so bad?
Yeah.
Sure, you want. I think yours come in like. Yeah, nah. What's next week? What's next Thursday? Oh,
No, man. Wait. I don't know. Today is 13th, right?
Bro, I don't even know what today is, man. Feel me? I'm only worried about the money. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. Smell brand new. I don't even know what to put this. This packaging is only cool, like through YouTube. This is honestly a mess. This is way too much. Gotta just tuck these around. Actually, here, so I don't get the soles dirty, you know what I'm saying? Keep them dead stock so I can resell them on StockX. You know what I'm saying? Should I put them on first, Nick?
I think you should put them on, bro.
Put them on?
Yeah,
You sure?
100%.
But they're not my pair.
Whose are they?
No, you're gassing.
Oh, alright.
Can I see?
Don't play with him like
No, they really mine. Don't play with me,
Don't
nigga.
fuck with him like that. You're gonna get buttered.
Nah, I'm serious, bro. They really came in two.
You not fucking with
I
me?
swear to God.
Oh my god.
Look at his face. Get this boy. Let me zoom into his face.
I'm dead serious.
Yes. Oh god.
Thank you.
Can I still put it on?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at his face. He was like, no.
Bro, I thought he was catching. I thought he was catching.
Kevin for the holidays.
Oh, God. I feel like Vegeta with these joints on. Oh, yeah. True to size 10. These are beautiful. This will be my third pair, but this really is Dylan's pair. I wouldn't pay resale for these. Retail boys only. I really do feel like Vegeta with these on. I'm gonna find a picture, put up in the video. Alright, mate. Can I put the other one on too? Let's go.
Alright, so you gonna put both on?
Let's go. You're not gonna keep the StockX tag, right?
No, why do you want it?
Nah, that's really corny. Put that on the sneakers.
They're trying to let me get that StockX tag for my keychain.
Yeah, bro, do your thing.
I bet. That's what I'll never get anything from StockX. So.
Oh God. Oh God. How to like Vegeta? Live in the flesh?
It was hard with that high top socks on.
Hey, how are you said?
Yeah.
Oh God, I can't breathe. I'm getting nervous. I want to keep them dead stock, but I want to show you guys how they look like on feet too. You know what I'm saying? Very nice basketball sneaker overall. Great quality shoe. Definitely worth the $350. Oh yeah, you got both. I don't know if I can say it. Oh yeah, I got you. Hold on.
Oh yeah, let me get both. Yeah.
All right, shout out to my boy Dylan. He dropped big bags on these.
I did.
All right, let me take his sneakers off.
Yeah, before you crease them, and they ain't dead stock when you get
You
them.
really can't crease these shits, bro. Like if you crease these shits, you really a fat nigga.
What you trying to say, bro?
Chill, bro. My fault. All right, we can stop recording.